Happy belated birthday, legend, from the entire Intense family. Now let's get into all the drama that happened this week. Here's the Intense 5. Another one, Burna Boy teaming up with Khalid. This should be good. So still on Burna Boy. He apparently turned down a one-night performance in the UAE worth $5 million, all because he's not allowed to smoke weed over there. Burna Boy won't be burning at all. Jaja. Shenseea says she's multi-talented and there's nothing wrong with that. If she wants to rap, let her rap. So she recently dropped her song Beamer and it's already gone 1 million views. Good job, Shen. Dexter, if you sing about it, chances are you're gonna get a reaction. So Dexter really didn't seem too happy that females were throwing their underwear at his face during a show in Canada. Hush ya, Dexter, but see you in December. And finally holding the spot this week, Popcorn's Clark's ad. Sheep, you nah help me. But that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for more in entertainment. Up next, Sanjay chats to Sean and Tuan. We move forward.